Hello and welcome to the third video in this series where we're looking at the Core 1 2015 paper. We're up to question 3 where we're given y equals 4x cubed minus 5 over x squared, and we need to find in its simplest form dy dx and the integral of y. So first things first, we'll start on part A, and we really need to get this into index form. So first term is fine, but the second term we want to write that as minus 5 and x to the power of minus 2, because that would be the same as 5 over x squared. And now it's in this form, we can find dy dx. So dy dx would be equal to, remember we multiply by the power and then take 1 away from the power. So 3 times 4 is 12. And 1 take away from 3 is 2. And then the same for the second term. So we multiply by minus 2, which gives us plus 10. And we subtract 1 from the power, which gives us x to the minus 3. Obviously be careful with the negatives. So that, if we could write that in a slightly nicer way as dy dx equals 12x squared. And then plus 10 over x cubed, like that. And there you go, that's the 3 marks. Part B, we'll use the rearrangement that we got in the first one, and we just need to integrate this time. So we just need to, this time, add 1 to the power and then divide by the new power. So we'll have x to the power of 4, and 4 at the beginning, and we divide by 4. So we add 1 to the 3 to get 4, and then divide by 4. And the same idea with this one, but this time we'll get x to the minus 1 by adding 1 to minus 2. So we're going to divide by minus 1, and we still got the 5 at the beginning. So simplifying that down, almost forgot, and a plus c, because we are integrating an indefinite integral. So that would give us, and also really I shouldn't call this y because we have now integrated, so this wouldn't be y equals, this would be the integral of y, I suppose. So I could leave that in and put my badly drawn integral sign. So the integral of y will equal to this. So if we simplify that, that would give us x to the power of 4. If we do minus 5x to the minus 1 divided by minus 1, that's going to be the same as plus 5x to the minus 1 plus c. And just like we did with part A, we could write it back as a fraction again as 5 over x plus c, like that. And there we go, 6 marks. First one, we needed to rearrange the expression first to get an index form and then differentiate. We got our answer, and then for the second one, do the integral, make sure we remember the plus c because that's worth a mark, and then we get our final answer simplified there. And that's it.